folks, I have a little mini 5-string banjo to show you today. This is number 995. The main wood is some kind of like lightly curly cherry that I got from the Carpenter Ant Stash in Portland. This is all wood that was cut for clock cases originally. And it's got some cool colored pistachio as the secondary wood. Pistachio up here with a little leaf inlay. I really love the pistachio in the fretboard, the way the grain goes. This one's got a goatskin head and an armrest, and it's tuned with the low tuning, so it's got the open G strings. So it is like your regular full-size 5-string banjo, just mini. And every time I play these, I'm reminded about, I really have to like tuck my technique in to match the instrument, right? Small strings, small scale length, small little scoop. But then when I sit with it for a few minutes and I adjust, I'm always happy I did. Because there's just a lot of sound from a guy like this, even though it's so little. And the sustain is very long for a banjo. Pretty cool, huh? There you go. Cheers.